Okay, I get it. Geometry class can feel like a total chore, right? But what if I told you there are actual cheat codes, like secrets, hidden inside these shapes that make solving them, well, kind of simple? Today, we are cracking the code on the parallelogram.
And I promise you, you've seen this shape like a million times. It's hiding in plain sight, in buildings, in logos, and yeah, even right there in the pavement. Seriously, once you know the secret, you'll start spotting them everywhere.
So yeah, this totally normal, everyday shape has some seriously powerful secrets built right in. So the big question is, what are they? And more importantly, how can we use them to basically ace these problems?
Okay, first things first. Let's get reacquainted with our hero for today. And don't worry, I am not going to give you some dry, boring textbook definition. Nah, we're getting straight to the stuff that actually matters.
So, what is a parallelogram? Super simple. It's a quadrilateral, which is just a fancy-pants word for any shape with four sides, where both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. That's it. That's the whole deal. It just means they're running in the same direction, like train tracks, and they will never cross paths.
And this diagram shows it perfectly. See those little arrowheads on the sides? The sides with one arrow? They're partners. The sides with two arrows? They're partners too. So two pairs of parallel sides. That one simple rule. It's the key that unlocks four amazing superpowers. And we're going to use them as cheat codes.
All right, you ready? Let's dive in. This is where the magic really happens. We are about to unlock the four cheat codes that are going to let you solve literally any parallelogram problem your teacher can throw at you. So here it is, our official cheat sheet. We're going to cover four main things. Superpower 1 is all about opposite sides. Then number 2, opposite angles. Power number 3 deals with consecutive angles. That's the ones next to each other. And finally, number 4, the diagonals, the lines in the middle. Let's do this.
Okay, first up, power number 1, opposite sides. I'm not kidding, this might be the easiest cheat code of them all, but you are going to use it all the time.
And here it is, cheat code number 1. In any parallelogram, the opposite sides are not just parallel, they are always the exact same length. The official math term is congruent, but really that's just a fancy way to say they're equal. That's it.
And this makes things so simple. Like if one side is 16 centimeters, guess what? You instantly know the side across from it is also 16 centimeters. Done. No math, no calculators. It's basically a free answer.
All right, that was easy, right? 1 power down, 3 to go. And superpower number 2 is going to feel really familiar because it works almost the exact same way as the first one. But this time, we're talking angles.
Yep, just like the sides. Cheat code number 2 is that opposite angles are always equal. So if you know the angle in one corner, you automatically know the angle sitting diagonally across from it is the exact same. Another freebie.
So the first 2 powers were all about the outside of the shape, the sides and the corners. But now we got to look inside the parallelogram. This is where we find the final 2 cheat codes, and honestly, these might be the most powerful ones of all.
Okay, let's look at these two side by side. Cheat code number 3 is about consecutive angles. That just means any 2 angles that are right next to each other. They always add up to 180 degrees. Simple as that. Now for cheat code number 4. This one is all about the diagonals, the lines that cut across the middle. Well, they always slice each other into 2 perfectly equal halves. The math nerds call this bisecting each other.
And there you have it. You have officially unlocked all 4 cheat codes. So what comes next? You guessed it. It's time for the boss level. Let's put all of this stuff to work. Whoa! Okay, I know this looks intimidating, right? You've got a parallelogram loaded up with variables and missing pieces. But seriously, don't panic. With our cheat codes, this isn't even a math problem anymore. It's just a puzzle, and we have every single key we need to solve it.
Let's break it down, code by code. First, let's find y. That's a side length, so we're going to use power number 1. Opposite sides are equal. That means y minus 2 times has to be the same as 8. A little bit of quick algebra and boom, y equals 10. Done. Okay, next up, x. That's part of a diagonal, right? So we need power number 4. The diagonals cut each other in half. So 4x must equal 2x plus 4. A little more shuffling and we get x equals 2. Easy. And finally, that missing angle. We see one angle is 70 degrees. We need the one right next to it, so we're using power number 3. Consecutive angles add up to 180. So 180 minus 70 gives us 110 degrees. Look at that, solved.
And just like that, what looked like a total mess is completely solved. See? You didn't have to guess, you didn't have to panic, you just applied the codes, one by one. You totally just beat the boss level.
So let's do a super quick lightning round recap of your new parallelogram superpowers. Ready? Number 1, opposite sides are equal. Number 2, opposite angles are equal. Number 3, angles next to each other add up to 180. And number 4, diagonals slice each other perfectly in half. That's it. That is the entire playbook. You've got this.
So you might have clicked on this thinking geometry is just a massive headache. But now you've got a set of cheat codes that make at least one part of it way, way simpler. Kind of makes you wonder, right? What other math secrets are just hiding out there in plain sight, waiting for us to find them?